Hello everybody, welcome to Pannu Schooling Point. Today's project is about this beautiful hibiscus flower and I have used 1 mm strip. I have cut the strips by my own and as you can see these petals. Here I am using this red color cardstock which is around 150 GSM and I am using this self-healing mat. I'm using this mat as I get the markings properly. So I'm cutting 1 mm strip. This is the first time I'm going to cut 1 mm strip. I'm using precision knife. It will help me to cut the strip in proper and fine way. So the strip will be really straight and the edges will be perfect. So let's cut the strips properly like this. So I have cut many strips. Now let's use toothpick to roll this strip and make a coil. I'm using toothpick to make a coil because the strip is really thin and you need to take care of the strip while making it into a tight coil. So I am doing further coiling it using my hands only. So it is really tiny and it is really delicate, so working with hands is really helpful to me right now. So I'm avoiding needle and I'm going to make it a tight coil. So the tight coil is ready, sealing the end like this. Now I'm attaching next strip to it and I'm further making it a little bigger tight coil. The coil is ready and now I'm going to settle down all the layers properly, whether they are coiled properly or not. And I'm rolling it using toothpick or any needle you can use or any paintbrush. So all the layers are perfectly settled down over here, as you can see. And now I am sealing the upper portion using glue. So I'm just spreading over the glue so that whenever I give a shape it will not change. So I left it to dry and it looks like this. I have sealed it from both the sides. Now let's pinch it like this from one end, just as a teardrop. So be gentle while doing it. It is really delicate and you just have to make a teardrop like shape, and then once you're confident enough, pinch the upper portion of your pointed part like this as a petal shape. So these petals are ready, 5 petals are ready. So this is the pointed part which is the stem of the leaf, and I have used this golden wire, so I'm wrapping it around this wire for the pollen portion. So I'm making it ready for the pollen and it looks something like this. So these are small pollens which I'll be adding later on. Now here I have taken yellow strip. I'm cutting it into fringes so that the hibiscus have yellow pollens, and I'm going to attach it later on. So I am making the middle portion of the flower. So I'm just wrapping the 5 mm strip around it like this. I don't have the green wire, so I'm using my normal golden wire. So this I'm making a pollen portion, and I'll be wrapping it like this. So I'm rolling it like this, so it should give a look like the pollen part, and adding these small tiny pollens in between. Yes, the pollen is ready now, and the next part I'm going to make is the leaf. So for the leaf and the stem portion, I have already wrapped green paper over this wire, and I have added this cone over it. So now let's arrange this hibiscus petals. So now what I'm going to do is I'm adding glue at one end of the petal and attaching second petal over it. So it is a little bit difficult to hold, so I am going to take support of something, and I'm going to add all these petals later. So these leaves I have cut using the cardstock, and using the embossing paper I have just marked the few lines in between, and this is the way I have given it a little curve like shape. So as you can see, this hibiscus is almost dried on this. Till then I am adding these leaves so that even this will get dry till then, right? So these two leaves are ready. So I hope you like these leaves. I really loved it. Beautiful green color and the shape of the hibiscus. Yes, so these two petals are dried completely, and after some time I am adding the third petal, and I'm taking support of this pencil so that it will give you a proper 3D look, and the petals will be like from coming out toward outwards direction. So I'm adding the next petal. Make sure you are not in a hurry, and give a proper time to dry, because it will take a little bit time to dry. Of course, if you are using some other glue, it will dry instantly, but I am using Fevicol. So I'm adding my last petal, and I hope it sticks properly. So let's add this pollen. And you have to hold it for some time, because it will not stick instantly. So hold it for a while, let it dry, and then you can leave it to dry. So this pollen is in middle and all the petals are ready. So this is how the flower looks. Now this flower will be adding to the stem, and this is how it looks. So it was a little bit challenging to handle 1mm strip and to work with them. It was my first time, so if I did any mistake, do let me know, and do try out this hibiscus leaf. Do try out this hibiscus flower, and do let me know in the comments how you liked it, and do you have any other method to cut 1mm strip. It was really challenging for me. Thanks for watching, and I'm really thankful for stopping at my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you. Take care.